Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making whipped cream. You need a bowl to put in the freezer for 1 hour. You need 2 cups of heavy whip. You need 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. You need 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I have an electric whisk. A whisk works, but it'll take you a long time and your arms will hurt. Pour the 2 cups of heavy whip in the bowl. Pour 1/3 cup of powdered sugar in the bowl. Pour 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract in the bowl. I'm using bourbon vanilla. Whisk the mixture until it's stiffened. We want the whipped cream to be nice and stiff. You may notice when you whisk it a lot, it will turn more into whipped cream. I'm going to have a taste test to see if the whipped cream tastes good. This whipped cream is really good. Now it's time to stir the whipped cream. Well, here we have it, whipped cream. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.